Hello, brains. I'm Jessica McCabe. I'm the creator and host of the YouTube channel How to ADHD, and I'm talking to you right now because the International ADHD Conference 2020, the virtual conference, it's the first time we've ever done it this way, is going to be happening tomorrow, probably, if you're watching this on November 4th, because it starts on November 5th. So because it's online and there are a lot of us that struggle with organizational skills, myself included, I wanted to make sure that everybody kind of knew what to do and what to expect, basically how to prepare for the conference so that it's as easy and stress-free as possible. It was a stressful sentence. Okay, so first thing you want to do is make sure that you're registered for the conference. If you haven't actually paid for the conference yet, you can learn how to do that here in this video. If you have already paid for the conference, but it's a while ago and you don't remember and you haven't seen an email come in, you're not sure what to do, you go to your email inbox, and I found the email. So this happened to me. So you go no-reply@pathable.com. Cool. And you click on, one of those. So you'll see an email with an orange button, sign into website and mobile app. Click on that. And it will take you to a screen like this, which looks really scary. No user can be authenticated with the provided. I don't know what happened there, but apparently it's not a problem. So you just ignore that and you click sign in, which is nice. And you click forgot your password, because probably if you even had one in the first place. So then you just tell it to recover your password. Okay, magic sign in link has been sent. So then you just go right back to your email. There are probably better ways to do this, but this is the way I know how. Okay, cool. So, yep, there we go. Now we get a sign in link. Now we can sign in. Sign in. Okay. Okay, cool. Now we're signed in, and you can tell because now you have a couple extra buttons, including account. If you can see account, you're good. So the next thing you want to do after making sure that you're signed in for the conference is edit your profile. This is where you can tell people about you. It's a networking thing, really, but it's kind of nice because one of the best things about this conference is getting to connect with other ADHDers and ADHD professionals in person. And so we can't do it the same way, but it's still nice to have a picture and have a description of yourself so that you can kind of say to people hey, this is who I am. That said, if you want to change the preferences to where you can have it be more private, let me move me. You can hide your profile from other attendees. You can say, don't send me an email, that kind of thing. And then the next thing you want to do after you update your profile is check out the schedule. So there's agenda, my agenda, and schedule meeting. So agenda is the entire conference agenda. That's what you want to go to choose what you want on your agenda, which I'm glad that they separate that out. It's a good idea to do this ahead of time if you can. If not, you can absolutely do it during the conference. There's just a lot going on during the conference. So if you can do some of it ahead of time so you can make sure that you're going to the sessions you want to go to, I do recommend that. So go to agenda. There's 3 days, November 5th, 6th, and 7th. 6th and 7th are the main conference days, but on the 5th, there's a lot of professional seminars, and there's also a lot of non-session activities like meetups, basically. So that's really cool. If you're not interested in those, just spend that day planning what you're going to do Friday and Saturday, because there's a lot going on those days too. So it starts at 5 a.m. PST. Cool. So that's early. I'm not going to go to that. Everything should be in your time zone, so don't worry about translating that. And just go through and see what kinds of stuff you might want to go to. Let's see. What do I want to go to? That's my session. I should go to that. So yeah, you click on that, you can actually add it to your own calendar as well. See, there's a little button, add it to my calendar, my Google Calendar. So that's pretty much it. Other than that, the platform does use Zoom for things. So definitely want to download Zoom or have access to Zoom, be able to use Zoom somehow, probably. You might also want to make sure you have a webcam that's functional and a microphone and headphones. You can use this conference platform on your phone, but it says it's an app. It's not really an app. You're just using the browser. So if you can do it on your laptop, it's going to be a little better, or your home computer if you have one of those and you're fancy. Other than that, watch Brittany's video on how to use the conference platform. It is incredibly informative and broken down into chapters. Then grab a robe or something comfy and settle in, because you get to stay home for this and just enjoy the conference. Bye, Rains.